Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie if you're new here, and if you're returning, welcome back. Sit down, put your feet up. I'm glad to see you guys. So for this video, I am doing a all black beauty product makeup look for this makeup to be exact. So if you want to see how that goes and you want to see the products that I use, make sure to tune along.
Just the other day, I heard a hoe say, matter of fact, what could a hoe say? With a face like this and a bitch this paid? Shit, what could a hoe say?
Hi, so I'm starting off at a color corrected primed face. I'm using my black opal true color foundation stick in the color Carbo. This is my first time actually using it, and it literally blends like a dream. It is butter. I love it. It definitely does that full coverage without feeling cakey and actually matching the skin. So now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. I'm hitting my highlight points, which is underneath my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. I'm taking my beauty blender and making sure it is all blended out. I'm just making sure it's even, looking good, obviously, and nicely blended. From the same brand, I am using my I Am Magic concealer in J2. I am hitting my cheekbones and my nose for a good nose contour and making everything just snatched, real snatchery coming in. I'm making sure to really just go over it and make everything nice and blended. And here is my base so far. Now I am using the Lip Bar 2-in-1 eyebrow gel. It basically has a pencil as well as a gel so you can seal those eyebrows in. I got that at my local Target. Love it. I am going in with my Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime eyeshadow primer in the color 2. I'm using it to line my eyebrows so I can give that clean line and just give them a cleaner overall look. Next is the Fenty Instant Touch Setting Powder in Hazelnut. I'm using my puff and getting that on my highlight to make it stand out and bring some warmth to the face. Adding some more warmth, I'm going in my Juvia's Place bronzer and just hitting my contour. As you can see, I'm hitting that jawline, my nose, and my cheekbones. Next, I'm going in with my blush. This is the Lip Bar highlighting blush in Outspoken. So basically it's a blush and highlighter. You see that? Look at that, so freaking cute. Now I'm diving into the Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette. I'm starting off with that bright red and I'm just taking that all over the lid. I'm going to chase that with a burnt orange and use that in my cut crease, then go in with that muted black and use that on the outer corners. Then I'm going to blend that all in, and then I'm going to use this natural kind of nudie color to blend and bring the look all together. So this is what we have. I did my liner off camera because y'all know it's a struggle for your girl. For highlight, I used the Juvia's Place Hair and Glow one. From the same brand, I have the Nubian Lashes and Nefertiti, and also the Luxe Lip Liner in Cola. Here I'm just lining and tracing over my natural lip line, and I'm going to do that all over the lips and finish off with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth just to finish the look, bring it all together, and look how cute it came out. I'm obsessed. I love it. All the products I use, 10 out of 10 would recommend. They literally work. Everything's pigmented. I feel like a baddie, a bad bitch. I'm ready to take pictures, pose, get ready for Instagram, get on a cute date, whatever. I'm with it all, basically. And my face is popping. Like, what? Yeah, get into this look. Get into it and support Black businesses for our Black peoples. All right, kitties, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure to leave me a like, a comment, make sure to subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know what is going on. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, bye.